Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and this video is going to be a very exciting because I'm going to do on this video on a Sigenergy factory tour, and especially there are 1,000 people that are coming because we are in a Nantong city in China, which is around around 1.5 to 2 hours away from Shanghai, because they are opening a new factory here, and they're gonna do first we're gonna do the factory tour and gonna show you all the Sigenergy plants and how they make it, all the processes. Gonna meet all the different people from the world as well, because it's a very big event they have organized, and I got this opportunity to come here and travel and visit their at this event. Gonna cover as much as I can wherever it's my video gonna be allowed, and gonna show you a Sigenergy factory tour, as well as gonna show you this opening ceremony of Sigenergy, and it's gonna be very exciting. So bus reached outside of the Sigenergy factory. So it was a very special day because in Nantong city in China, this is the brand new Sigenergy Smart Energy Center. And honestly, this was not a normal factory opening ceremony. Sigenergy has invited nearly 2,000 people from more than 50 countries around the world, including distributor, installer, business owners, and energy professionals, to witness this, what could become one of the most advanced smart energy manufacturing facilities in the industry. So first of all, we entered in this massive shed area in the front, where Sigenergy has organized this foods and nibbles to all the guests, and the stage area and everything was there. On the side, I found this robot, and it was very interesting. The robot was actually making few drawings, and as well as we have explored some Sigenergy's merchandise and explored few other things as well. So why did Sigenergy build this massive facility in Nantong? The answer is very simple: a global demand. This location helps Sigenergy improve production speed, logistic, global shipping, and supply chain efficiency. The event started, and first of all they started with this robot show. There was 7 to 8 robots was dancing literally on the stage, and later on we have witnessed the official inauguration of the Nantong Smart Energy Center. You can literally see people from all around the world: Australia, Europe, Asia, Africa, all gathered under the one roof. After that, Tony Zhu came on the stage and he gave a little bit of presentation. So Tony Zhu founded this company in 2022. He was a former Huawei executive with the vision of combining AI, solar batteries, EV charging, and everything in a one ecosystem. I got an opportunity to take a picture with him as well. What a visionary man. And on stage he has explained about the next future plan of Sigenergy as well. After that, Sigenergy called our biggest distributor of their all over the countries, and they have inaugurated this factory by pressing a big buzzer. After that, we got the opportunity to do the factory tour as well. But what makes this factory special is that it's not because of about the manufacturing. Sigenergy called this a smart energy center because it combines the advanced manufacturing, research and development, AI integration, logistic, energy management, and global delivery operation. What a big building. So it was like a big queues everywhere, but we managed to go into the factories and also experience inside how exactly they manufacture their units. The factory is highly automated, with some reports saying that the automation rate reaches around 95%. While doing the inside factory tour, I had a chat with some gentlemen over there, and they were saying that one storage battery usually come off from the production line every 15 seconds, while all the inverters are produced every 21 seconds. So you can see how amazing the factory is. That shows the scale and the ambition Sigenergy has for their future clients. Even though there are a lot of automation, but you can still see engineers and workers carefully checking each and every stage of the production. So these are the automatic cells which they use for the battery, and how robots are carrying those. These battery modules are assembled here and then tested before shipping globally to the countries like Europe, Australia, and any other countries. Then I walked to the other section of the building, and here I can see all the inverters. which I never seen in Australian market. Could be for the different region or different countries, but it looks very amazing design wise as well. Everything was moving so frequently, but at the same time, the factory still looks very clean, controlled, and organized as well. One of the Sigenergy biggest focus is now AI powered smart energy management. So the company is now just also making not just making the batteries and inverters, they are also trying to build a complete smart energy ecosystem as well. And honestly, seeing all this in the person gives me a completely different perspective compared to when you just watching our videos online. This is the product we actually recommend to our clients as well. And going to that factory and looking how they manufacture, how they control is the one of the best experience I had. You can actually see the engineering, the scale, and the investment happening behind the scene, and you can see where this product's gonna be in the future as well. You can see all the inverters are connected with the wires and getting tested as well. After that, we went downstairs to a different building. That's where the main showroom has been set up. One of the announcements which Sigenergy did on the stage was their AI in all strategy. The company wants artificial intelligence integrated into everything, like in the batteries, inverter, smart home, to the commercial energy storage as well. So this was one of the setup they have done. It looks like a commercial setup, but this is how they have presented. Amazing. On the other section of the wall, they had this 50 plus or CNI inverter, the commercial inverters, and the battery setup as well, which is perfect for our businesses or the people those have a higher usage. These commercial systems are designed for businesses, factories, shopping centers, and larger commercial applications where energy demand is significantly higher. They have made this, model as well here, which looks amazing. And they had the screen where it was displaying and articulate of the energy need as well. And here we go. This is the new model which Sigenergy going to launch, or it has been already launched, but not the product is not available, called Sigenergy Neo. It looks pretty much same, but the design is different and is more sleek, a little bit cheaper, but it has amazing feature. One cool thing about this new Sig Neo that you don't need a gateway, but you can still mismatch and use with the old model of Sigen batteries as well. So this was the showroom where Sigenergy has displayed the entire ecosystem all in one at one place. So was the whole trip. So it was quite impressive to see how quickly Sigenergy has grown globally in such a short period of time. Let me know in the comment which Sigenergy product you find the most interesting. And if you enjoy this factory tour, battery technology, and the solar industry content, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Let's continue to explore